Welcome to everyone here and good afternoon and my heartiest love to all of you, my friends, my dear audiences. Actually, I have come here for not showing you the very natural beauty of this place. Okay, but I have come here for your improvement. Okay, the very improvement of how you can improve yourself on speaking English, how you can be totally able to speak on English. Okay, I have come here. I have also come here for showing you the very way. By this way, you can be totally able to communicate with others on English so fluently. Okay, now I am going to start my topic. Okay, for improving your English, you have to at the first time try the best for speaking with your near and dear ones on English. This is the very foremost rules regulation. This is the very responsibility for you to speak with others on English, and besides try the best for for cutting out the very paper from the very any newspapers, but here not any newspapers, but the very newspapers will be from the very English newspaper, that means Daily Star and the very other newspaper of the very other countries actually. So try the best for create one kind of habit in your heart, in your mind, for reading out the very English newspaper at the first time. Okay, you have to at least read daily. You have to at least read daily a newspaper. From a newspaper, 1, 2, or 3 or 4 columns should be read out by you. Okay, regularly try the best, and try the best for underline the very unknown word, and then try the best for looking up the very unknown word, okay, from your dictionary. So this also increase the very system of looking up the very vocabulary. Okay, this English vocabulary also will help you a lot for your communicating, for your communication target. So try the best for reading out English newspaper daily. Besides, you have to read out the very any English article. Okay, and then try the best for watching, try the best for enjoying English movie, English song, English article. Okay, so in this video I have to stop myself here.